Um, First and foremost, no, the three win, the three losses namin. Like I said sa mga players namin, that's the past. Kumbaga nakaraan na yan, pero we have to learn from it. Lalo-lalo na kung tikitan yung alaban namin. No? Yung the good thing is nakuha namin itong panalo, and sabi ko nga, it's good to be back in a winning track. No? And kailangan namin itong panalo and pagkita sa susunod na games na para makuha din yung goal namin sa papuntang final.
Coach, you've been mentioning in the past yung need to step up, given nga nawala na si Bravo, and today si Renz Villegas yung consistently making goal shots for you. Yung thoughts lang doon sa career game ni Renz?
Yes, actually, first of all, we will dedicate this game to Bravo. No? So, we don't know yet kung kailan siya makakabalik, no? And I hope na maging okay na siya. And about Renz Villegas, yes, he's a leading scorer, no? But syempre, I give credit also to the mga teammates niya na rumi-rebound yung pumapasa sa kanya, kaya siya nakaka-score, no? So, honestly, it's a team effort. So, ang nakikita lang natin is yung score ni Renz, no? And talagang consistent siya when it comes to scoring, and yun yung binibigay ko sa kanya. But again, yung mga small things na hindi natin nakikita, yung mga rebound ng mga load, yung mga highleg, mga big man namin, and yung mga assist ng mga guards namin. So, it's a totally team effort.